Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening on Windows 11. First, try to run the Minecraft launcher as an administrator. Open the Start menu and search for Minecraft. When you see the Minecraft launcher, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Wait a few seconds and check if it opens. If it still does not open, open the Start menu again and search for Run. Click on the Run app. In the box, type app data and press Enter. A folder will open. Double-click on the folder called Roaming. Find the folder named Minecraft and open it. Scroll down until you see a file called launcher_profiles. Right-click on this file and delete it. Close the folder and try to open the Minecraft launcher again. If the problem continues, right-click the Start button and click on Installed Apps. In the search box, type Minecraft. Click on the three dots next to the Minecraft launcher and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, click Repair and wait for it to finish. Then click Reset and confirm. After that, try opening the launcher again. If nothing worked, uninstall the Minecraft launcher from the Installed Apps. After uninstalling, open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu. Search for Minecraft, open the launcher page, and install it again. After installation, the launcher should open normally. Thanks for watching.